How to send a video message on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Messages application on your phone. The Messages app on iPhone allows users to send and receive text messages, photos, videos, and other media with other iPhone users via iMessage or with non-Apple devices via SMS. It also supports features like group messaging, voice messages, and the ability to schedule messages. You are now in the Messages page. You can view all your messages over here. On this page, go to the top right corner and tap on the new message icon. Now, tap on the plus icon as shown. You can search for all people who you want to send the message to from here. You can select more than one person if you want to send the message in a group. After selecting, go to the text bar below and tap on the plus icon beside it. Tap on Photos. You can choose photos and videos from your camera roll to send over here. Select any video from here. Then, tap on Done. You can now add in a text if you want. Following these steps, you can easily send a video message on iPhone.